A vampire from a Quentin Tarantino movie.
And Jamie Hayter's in a lot of trouble right now.
Stretching out the shoulders.
Those knees to the back just knocks the wind out of you. You know what I'm saying? If you can't breathe, you can't fight.
Diamante has 48 wins in AEW. She's been in AEW since January of 2020. In her affiliation with Athena, one of the minions in training, as she likes to call them, the MIT, has been since March of last year. And she's been a great addition, there's no doubt. And right now, she's just beating up Jamie Hayter.
Former Ring of Honor Women's Champion Jamie Hayter certainly absorbed a lot of punishment thus far in this match, and if she doesn't get over soon, I'm not sure she will.
Jamie could go behind, takes a left turn, and it's a near side ropes. Both women down. Collision continues live here on TNT. Yes, live on a Thursday night. Jamie Hayter makes the tag. Hazuki in, using Diamante as an elevation. Takes up both members, Athena and Billy Starks. And now, shotgun dropkick. And Ducky Love, Billy Starks goes down from a Hurricane Rana.
Starks did her best to avoid it, but at the end of the day, the momentum was too much.
Hazuki now sending both members, Diamante and Billy Starks, down. We got to cover. 1, 2, no, we got to save. Boy, do we ever. How
That's
about
more than a save?
How about that, Paul?
That's a save with authority.
Boy, you're not kidding. And now, well, we've got German suplexes all around. Here comes Alex Windsor. Billy Starks
blocking, and it hurt the attempt on her.
Billy Starks still in the formative years of her career, incredibly. One of the real great youngsters in the women's division. Got dropped on her head right there.
Starks, a former Ring of Honor Women's TV champion.
Right.
Wait a second.
At 19 years of age, she won that championship, and now a roll-up by Diamante.
Keeps going.
German.
Chaos Theory suplex cover.
Hazuki, 1, 2, go.
Diamante unaware that Hazuki, the legal competitor.
And shooting her partner in, and now she'll make a tag. It's going to be, well, a little double team to begin things, but now Alex Windsor against Diamante into the corner. And Billy Starks said, still down on the floor. You may see her at the bottom of your screen was Athena, as she now rolls in, and Billy Starks says, welcome to the ring, young lady.
Here we go.
Stacking them up.
Closing time.
Whoa! Diamante's left in the ring. Triple team maneuver. An assisted John Woo dropkick.
More like a lawn dart.
The fans love that.
Hazuki's not done.
Hazuki's perched, waiting on Billy Starks to rise up. Meanwhile, Diamante in the ring, cross body. Pick up. Backbreaker.
Oh, you heard the impact. You can count the 3. 1, 2, no.
It was Athena again in the nick of time.
That's that experience of Athena. She knew something was going down, needed to be there for her teammate, break up that cover.
We've seen it before, and now she's going to take down both members of the Brawling Birds with a front face leg trip combination. Diamante, a little assisted sliced bread that time. Cover 1, 2. Ooh, boy, barely getting out of that was it Alex Windsor? Yes, Alex Windsor rolls.
He's in trouble without a doubt, but Hazuki's taken the high ground. I don't think she's made the tag. She's not the legal competitor, but at this point, it's fair, anybody's fair game.
Pick up, head scissor.
Wow, not today.
Caught the foot. Ducked the lariat. Backslide, tumble through, incredible maneuvers by both women here. And now the pickup. Forearm shot. Athena follows Hazuki in, and now Athena's got the ropes. Here comes Hazuki with a back elbow. Wow, what a matchup.
Here's a matchup I'd like to see for the Ring of Honor Women's Championship.
I agree. And big pump kick.
Well, if Hazuki is able to score a victory over the champion, she would certainly... Oh! Good night.
What about that thrust kick, Paul? Whoa.
She's a Ring of Honor Women's Champion.
Absolutely. And a released German suplex.
It's about Athena, athleticism, power, ring awareness. That's why she's been able to dominate in her division for so long. It's just so apparent watching this match.
Hazuki is in and now out, thanks to Diamante. And Alex wins her in. Good standing switch. Nope, reversal of a standing switch. And Billy Starks, Diamante collide.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, here it comes. Two Birds with
One stone.
1, 2, 3, over.
Here are your winners, Hazuki and the Brawling Birds.
The AEW Women's Tag Team Champions better be watching. Someone's got you in their sights. 2 girls, 1 pub.
And of course, the Brawling Birds will be teaming with Willow Nightingale against the Divine Dominion. And of course, the one and only Mercedes Moné.
Oh, here come the women's champs.
And the Divine Dominion in.
Oh, no. Look at the size of these absolute Amazonians. Have you ever seen anything like it, Paul?
Well, the women, they won't wait until Wednesday night. Just look at the viciousness, the power. Talk about making a statement of dominance. I mean, granted, the timing's a little good. Their opponents are a little tired. Had a heck of a trios match. But psychology-wise, it's a great time to come out and impose your will, send a message.
That's exactly what they're doing. Their will has been imposed, but they've still got to make a statement. Watch this.
I just like the fact that neither one of these two really care what happens to their opponent.
You like that?
I appreciate it.
For the love of...
I appreciate that. There's a certain dominance and style that I resonate with a little bit.
Absolute disrespect for anybody else in the women's division.
This Wednesday, the Women's World Tag Team Champions, the Divine Dominion, teaming up with Mercedes Moné. Brawling Birds will be teaming with Willow Nightingale.